The question of what is my case worth is one of the hardest questions to answer. It's very individualized. There's a lot of information that someone needs to know to figure out what's the value of a case. What we do at our firm is to figure out what someone's case is worth is we do a few things. First, we figure out what all their medical bills are going to be, and not just the medical bills from the initial stay in the hospital, but what are their future medical bills going to be over time. Another thing that we do is figure out what wage loss is, because if you're not able to return to work, or you're not able to return to work in the same capacity that you were before, you may miss out on promotions or future work. And so we figure that out to the penny to determine what your future wage loss may be. The other thing we have to figure out is the emotional losses, the pain, the suffering, the anguish. There has to be a value put on that, and that's hard. The reality is that a lot of it depends on who your lawyers are, because what companies do, and especially insurance companies and large companies do, is they look at who your lawyers are. They look at them and say, are these lawyers that will try lawsuits? Are these lawyers that demand the most for their clients? When people ask, what's my case worth? You need to both look at the facts of the case. What has the person been through? What's their family been through? But you also need to look at who their lawyer is. Because if they have a mediocre lawyer, even a good lawyer, the value of their case will be less than if they have the best, if they have Arnold and Aitken.